how to add and set up driving mode on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. Let's start the video. First of all, go to App Library. Here click on Settings app. Now in Setting, scroll down and click on Modes and Routines. After click on Modes and Routines, scroll down and click on Add Mode. And you will see driving is here. Click on driving, and if you want to set up driving mode, click on start, and you will select Android Auto Bluetooth device, and Bluetooth connect. After click on Bluetooth device, click on next. If you want to add do not disturb, you will see call and message app notification. Click on app notifications and call and message, add member, and click on done. You will see again, and next click on, now click on next. After click on next, you will see media volume, and you will see 4 features is here. You will select features, media volume, and you will see you will increase or decrease phone speakers and Bixby voice wake-up and read notification loud. Click on done. You will see driving mode driving setup is, and after the process go back to home screen. So that's how you can add setup driving mode on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. If you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.